Thank you very much, the family, management, and staff of Delhi 6, invited guests, Dev, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, families and friends, Buddha Vinaka, and a very good morning to you. I can already smell the food, so I won't keep you away from the food. And of course, I'd like to heartily congratulate Kaushik, the team, and of course the hands behind it for this significant investment. As mentioned, it takes a lot of time to plan any business venture, and of course the outcomes we will see now. Ladies and gentlemen, as of December 2021, we are lucky that we have implemented an ease on COVID restrictions. And because you mentioned COVID, I think the only thing we did during COVID was cook, eat and clean because we were confined to that. And fortunately for some people, young people, they got to try out various innovative ways of doing business, online business, right? And this in itself has been extremely good news for the business community and the thousands of people like us who love food. And yeah, I would agree with you, sometimes getting good home cooked meals in a restaurant is not very, very easy. So a good thought, a good business venture, and I wish that the business prospers. And of course you make a lot of money, but at the same time you give the consumers what they want. So today is a commitment, an investment. I know investment comes in the form of time and money, and money comes the hard way. They would know, he's a businessman. And COVID did place a lot of sort of challenges for business people, especially food. And when we were under lockdown, I mean, I could only imagine the thoughts of business people think how the rent is going to be paid, what will happen to the staff and stuff. And I hope that now, with things opening up, your business will be able to provide the service that actually is supposed to come in the food industry. And it's always interesting to see innovation and creativity coming from young people. You know, I have two girls at home, and I could see they were trying to do a lot of things during COVID time just to make some extra money, which is nothing wrong with that. All of us want some extra money. But if you actually put your thoughts to any business idea and you pursue it as a dream, success will always be at your doorstep. So, like Kaushik and I won't say the hands behind him, I hope you get your returns in the long term. Food industry is something where your customers must be happy. It's not something that you can compromise with quality when it comes to food. You know, when you have satisfied customers and we give them finger-licking food, of course they'll come back. And in the food industry, word of mouth is very important. So whichever customer comes here, I hope your staff will make them welcome. The food is of quality, money's worth, and you can be rest assured that they will bring more customers for you. So customers are very important. It's because of them that you would be here. Okay, you are in this complex in competition with a lot of other existing businesses. So you have a challenge, but you also have the opportunity to give them something new, and just do that. And Delhi 6, as the name says, hopefully you have planned on your menus, etc. And well, I'm going to try it later tonight. But amazing food should come with amazing taste. The quantity, the quality is all important in the food business. Cleanliness, keeping up that. Sometimes we see businesses opening, first few days or first few weeks, everything is perfect. But then, I'll give you an example. The chicken size gets smaller, the portions get smaller. Doesn't appeal to the customer anymore. So like I said, keep the customer at the center of your service delivery. So congratulations, and I'm sure the family support will always be there. And to the staff, you are very important. And not only has the venture given you employment, but something that you should keep in mind is loyalty to the business. You get paid, we expect loyalty. So, and to the owners, please treat your staff well. It's very important. If you treat them well, they will deliver. So keep that at the back of your mind. And many people lost their jobs during the pandemic, and I know you're going to be employing people, and that's something good. So yeah, it's not about long speeches, and I think many people would want to try out your food and stuff. So all the very best, and we hope to see young people invest more in business ventures. It's not only good for the economy, but being an entrepreneur in yourself, being your own business, and you can do anything. You can be creative, and you can take your business ventures. So we have a few other business entrepreneurs here, so they would actually guide you and counsel you on how to sort of keep your business running and sustaining it. That's very important. You must make a profit out of it. It's not a charity, but you don't make a profit out of not providing what your customers want. So all in all, congratulations once again, and I hope that we continue this to see or eat, because the Suva, they would know. Suva is a place where people don't make breakfast and lunch and dinner. We mostly depend. We're so rushed for time. Okay? So today, this investment is contributing to the economy of the nation. Okay? No investment is small. Remember that. No investment is big. An investment is an investment. So I congratulate you on that, and I hope that the business grows tenfold in future. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.